Welcome back. All right, next day, snowfall. Well, it's kind of hard to see, but we've had about a little over 6 inches. Maybe a little bit less. I did shovel this little area here, so I'm gonna just do a quick video on the 721 Toro, and let's see how she goes. Just go ahead and get her started here. I just filled it up with some gas, so should be quick and easy. Let me just put you down for a second. You guys can see the action as it happens, right? About 30 degrees, windy, so we'll see how this goes. All right, prime 3 times on, choke, and away we go.